Good morning, students and parents. This is Mr. Walters again with a quick video on how to get your Weebly started off right. Just bring up your web browser, Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer, Google Chrome. You have to go to nhd.weebly.com. You'll create a new account. Mine's already logged in, so I'll show you where you can get your new account set up. But if you look here where it says Get Started here, create your username, password, and your email, choose student, but please make sure you write that information down so that whenever you come back, you go to the top gray box in the top right hand corner and log in. And to get started, each year you need to create your own new account for the competition. Where it says the numbers in blue, nhd.weebly.com, that'll be the website address that you can give to anybody to check out your website, just like you would for youtube.com or any other website. That's your website for this site. You click Edit Site, and you'll see a couple things I've already done for my my website just to show you. I have all of the different tabs that I told you should most likely have to have all the information divided and organized on your website. If you click Theme, you can choose the color of the font, you can change fonts, change background, but if you change the theme, that'll be the overall layout and the background. Make sure it is something that fits your Explorer. Maybe it's specific to where they explored, or something just along the lines of the look and feel of your website should match, the theme should match who your Explorer was. So just for the sake of this video, I'm just going to choose this water theme, and you can preview it and you can see they're all laid out very differently however you want it to look like. After you go to get your theme set up, you can change the backgrounds of pictures by clicking Edit Image. Make sure you're saving your pictures in a folder on your flash drive or on your computer that says NHD. If you click Pages next, you'll see all the different, you can add as many tabs as you want to. You can see all the ones I created. Early life for their childhood, family life for when your Explorer gets married, or kind of their in their 20s, 30s, kind of their midlife. And then as they're getting into their exploration, that's when I created tabs for each of the three categories of the theme. Exploration, where did they explore? The encounter, what did they encounter or come into contact with when they got there? And the exchange, was there negative exchanges like wars or disease? Was there positive exchanges like trade or cultural diffusion? And then aftermath is after most of your explorers have passed on or have died, what has happened since then? Have they named places after them? Have they created monuments or statues to recognize your people? And then the last page should always be your annotated bibliography, which we'll get into next Friday or later on before the project's due, which is your list of sources, and like we've been putting on the back of our note cards. One last quick little thing: if you go to the word clicking Build, and you can see the tab you're in. If you go to, say, the Exploration tab and you wanted to link a video, the easiest way I saw that you can do this is if you click and drag this Embed Code tab or area, it'll give you a chance to put a website in there. And if you wanted a YouTube clip, which is the easiest one to borrow, easiest site to borrow from or cite from, say we're wanted a video clip on Lewis and Clark, for those of you that are doing Lewis and Clark as your explorers, make sure you're choosing a video that's not 45 minutes long. This one I checked out is a pretty good one. It's 4 minutes and 30 seconds. And if you want the viewers of your website to be able to see this, on YouTube, you click the arrow that says Share, and if you click Embed, and everything that's highlighted in blue, you right-click, copy, go back to your Weebly website, click here, right-click, paste, and if you click anywhere off of that box, it should upload the Lewis and Clark video. And you can add notes to the side, you can click and drag and add images. So if you click and add text next to this, then you can start writing about this video, so whatever your caption is going to be. So you decide where the text goes, the pictures goes, the maps go, the timelines go. It's just up to you to start making sure you're saving it and setting it up right. So whenever you're done clicking for the day, or working for that time, you can see all the work that I've done in this short video clip. Click the orange tab in the top right hand corner that says publish. Your pages saves automatically, but this publish makes it live to the world. And if you give anybody this http:// and then the number .nhd.weebly.com, they can put that in their browser bar and go and find your website. So that's a quick tutorial on how to put a video in, set up your tabs, set up your theme, and I'd like to have anybody come to coach class on Thursday to work more, but this project's gonna be due before you know it, so I'd get a head start sooner than later. Good luck, everyone, and message me on BCPS1, email me, or remind chat if you have any questions.